Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is nothing unusual here, nothing that would make the current scenario that we have on the chart here invalid or anything, or would make me question it. No, in fact, it is adhering quite well to this scenario. We have come up in this overall scenario that we talked about in the last few videos. Is we moved up in a wave 1, we coming down currently in this wave 2. That is a scenario that I had on the chart for weeks now. The other one that we had on the chart where we had a 1-2 and the 1-2 has been not strictly invalidated, but has just become very, very unlikely. Therefore, I have taken it off the chart. In the end, the outcome is similar, but we look here at a wave 1 and a wave 2, which means we're very early in a possible uptrend, and all of this is an A, B, C. Someone said in the comments of the previous video to me, my wave B is wrong. No, it's absolutely not wrong. It is an absolute valid wave B that consists also of an A, B, C, and there's nothing wrong with that wave B, believe me. So we're coming down here in the wave C, in a wave 2 here in purple, and this wave C is following currently plan. Yeah, yesterday I told you that the correction is probably not over yet. Yeah, that we should come down into this region between of at least 19,600. This target area for this wave 2 is based on the Fibonacci retracements of the wave 1. Yeah, so we've got here the Fibonacci retracement levels, and this is how the target area is made up of. So we've got here the 50% Fib retracement, 19,600, and the 78.6% Fib level here, 18,400. Now, this is currently so far doing what it should be doing. I showed you yesterday when I made my first video, yesterday morning that was, I told you that we might have finished here 5 waves down and we would now expect a 4th wave up, which happened. So we had that wave 4 retracement, and we can also calculate here the Fibonacci retracement levels if the wave 4 was the wave 4 target was reached, because the wave 4 target is normally here the 38.2% Fib level, which is around about 20,350. Let me just adjust it. Yeah, no, exactly. Yesterday I told the Telegram channel members that we could expect here a 20,400 level, which we reached. Yeah, we came all the way up to 20,400 exactly. Okay, from there we got rejected and might now be in this 5th wave down that you can see here in yellow. And this 5th wave could without a problem then reach that yellow target area. Now we can also calculate that we can calculate here down here this target area from a different angle. So I gave you that target area based on the Fibonacci retracements, but we can also calculate the target area based on the wave 1. So let me just see that from the, no, we do that differently. This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. No, let me just think. Oh no, we've got this. Okay, now we came down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This completed wave 1. Okay, yeah, makes sense. This completed wave 1. Then we moved up here in a wave 2, in an ABC, and then we are now coming down here. No, that was fine. Leave it here. 1, 2. Then we had a wave 3 down here, 4 and 5. No, that's all good. And the wave 4 up. And I believe I showed you yesterday the target for that wave 5 based on the calculation of this wave 1, where we used that wave 1 length, added it to the wave 2 high, and then we've got a couple of target areas here. First one, 19,823, which is the 100 over the 1-to-1 ratio that was reached already. So obviously it could be reached again, and we could start from here. That would be a so-called truncated wave. Not great. We want to go a little bit lower, and a good target then would be here the $18,982 level. Yeah, so 19,000 roughly in this target area, but it is technically enough to just reach the target area, and the first level in the target area would be the $19,600 level. From here we could then start to move up in a bullish scenario. Difficult thing is now, technically it could drop all the way down here and it would still be a very valid wave 2. So if you suddenly go into the 18,000s, it wouldn't be a problem technically. It would still be a wave 2 technically, and however, if we go much lower than that, then it will be likely that all of this was just an ABC and that we are actually in a bearish scenario. And we talked about this bearish scenario now a few times as well, looking at the other chart here, and this is still standing, absolutely. As I said to you before, those lower time frames, if we take a look on the hourly, for example, even 30-minute charts, they are very fragile. They get invalidated easily. So here on this chart, I don't have the detailed wave count, but you would expect here in a wave 4 to see an A, B, C. And based on that, we could already have started the 5th wave, okay? So this would then make a lower low below 17,500. And this is currently how I see Bitcoin here. Currently, we can still follow here this bullish wave count. Yeah, we can still follow it. And this is not necessarily here what I'm telling you is going to happen. We're currently just investigating here this possible breakout scenario, because this is the wave count for the breakout scenario. I don't find it too unlikely. It is definitely a possibility we need to keep on the radar, but I've always told you, since we have started to move up here and since we could count a first impulsive wave to the upside, that we need to overcome resistance. You always want to see the evidence in the Elliott Wave patterns, but also you want to see price confirmation. And the first level of price confirmation has always been here, this resistance area, all the way up to 23,330. That needs to be overcome. And I've always told you, above that level, it will get less likely that we are still in a corrective wave and may make a lower low once more. That if we go above this, it could really indicate with higher certainty that we will move higher. Now, that level was never broken on the Bitcoin chart. Ethereum tried to push through, failed though, and therefore there is just at the moment a lot of uncertainty in the markets, and the charts imply it. I mean, there are other possibilities possible here. Yeah, always try to show you the 1 or 2 most likely scenarios. Don't want to confuse you with 10 different scenarios. I always try to show you the 1 or 2, which in my opinion are most likely, which means these are the scenarios that fulfill most of the Elliott Wave requirements. Okay, and that is currently my view about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.